We'd like to take a second and thank our sponsors at SteveSalva.com. He makes everything from the World Series of Poker bracelets to the finest high-quality firearms-related jewelry on the market. Again, check him out at SteveSalva.com.
Hey guys, Kylie and Steve here with Top Guns in Terre Haute, Indiana. Steve, what is today's review, shoot, and rate?
Today we're going to take a look at the SCCY CPX-2. All right. Kylie, there wasn't a lot of information available on the website. However, we do know that it comes with 10-round magazines, has 7 lands and grooves with a 1 in 16 right hand twist.
This firearm does come in a double action only and has a 9-pound trigger pull.
All right, let's try it out.
All right, Steve, after shooting that one, let's hear your thoughts.
Not a huge fan. The thing that they've got going for them is they have a lower price point. So they're at $269 MSRP. You can often find it at the stores, maybe around that $200 to $225 price point. For me, the trigger pull's among the worst I've ever felt. The grip is not very ergonomical. It doesn't feel well. It's like a big blocky bar of soap. And quite frankly, the way it snaps in your hand, even though we expect a little bit of that being out of a smaller gun, it's pretty snappy, and the way it snaps is not very easy to manage. So for me, I'm going to end up giving it probably a 1 on our scale of 1 to 5. So not a great gun.
I'm right there with you, pushing it for it to be 1. With me being a female, me personally, I'm going to have the feel of making sure I can control it, making sure that it's not going to be too much for me to handle, and especially that trigger pull. I don't want to, you know, my attacker would probably get me by the time I could pull that trigger. So I'm going to be around the same thing that you are, and it's really pushing it. The only thing really is the price is good, decent for the gun, but like you said, it's snappy. The trigger pull is what's really got me down there. Just not really enjoying it at all.
Absolutely. Kylie, for those folks that want to see a little bit more of this particular series, how do they follow us?
There's a bell underneath this video. Hit that bell for notifications, and do not forget to give us a thumbs up.
Guys, thanks for watching. Take care. Smooth, effortless, consistent 9-pound trigger.
Smooth and effortless?
Yes, that's how I would describe a 9-pound trigger. Kylie, there wasn't a lot of specs available on their actual page when we went to their website. However, we do know that it comes with 10-round mags. And there you have it. What else is there?
There's nothing.
And then, of course, the gun is a double action only with about a 9-pound pull. Oops. I'll do that part again. No, you do that part.
Oops.